The approval flow in the social planner excluded clients and stakeholders without access to your CRM, which could be cumbersome. This update removes the need for logins entirely. Using secure magic links to review, approve, or request changes outside the platform. Let's check this improvement out. Generate a secure password-protected link for your posts that doesn't require login and expires after 30 days, keeping approvals safe and controlled. This format allows you to use bulk actions for approving or rejecting all posts at once and leveraging the rich post preview for better decisions. Track and control every approval link from a new Manage Links section where you can view the link status, regenerate or revoke access, and extend validity. Let's learn how to generate and send a password access link for quick and easy approvals. Navigate to the Approval tab under the Content section of your social planner and select the approver from the dropdown. Once selected, click Generate Shareable Link. Select how to set a password, then click Generate Link. Copy the invite or share the invite via email. This makes it easier than ever to collaborate with customers and stakeholders in the creative process. No more screenshots, emails, or back and forth. Just faster, cleaner collaboration. We hope you enjoy it.